Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Here we will presenting our presentation about interpreting journal by Group 2. First, I want to greet thanks for Mrs. Fitri Amalia Sinta for give us change to presenting our assignment. I'm Muhammad Fadilmi as moderator in this video. Uh, before we presenting our presentation, I would like to introduce the member of Group 2.
I am Lutfinila Fauzia.
I am Yunita.
I am Erlita Mutiananda.
I'm Rahmawati.
And I'm Muhammad Fadil. Okay, next. In Group 2, we will interpreting journal about increasing of critical things students through cooperative learning model TPS type or think, pair, share in social studies learning. Classroom action research in class 8-1 Ibnu Tufail Fitrah Insani 1 Junior High School. Okay, next we will introduce our problem. Education in school implement in learning takes place as process of mutual influence between teacher and learns in teaching and learning activities. Learning will be said to successful and quality if most learned are active involved both physically, mentally, and socially. However, in the classroom learning, teacher always find the problem of the lack ability of learning in critical thinking. So that the class tends to passive. There needs to be change so that learners can experience and increase in critical thinking so that students are expect to more be active. Based on primarily observation that research do there are problems when the learning took place in the between the use of the material is only fixed on book spec result in the discussion that tends to be monotonous in the condition of learning to dig deeper in matter under discussion so that the ability in critical things less felt less need improvement action so that learn can improve their critical things ability because the activity in class phase of questioning and answering question is one of the key of success in learning that is implemented. Next, we will press about method. The method used in the research classroom action research method in this research use the model of classroom action research from the model chemist and Emmett Tucker in Wiryat Maja 20 and 12, which consists of planning, execution, observation, and reflection. In this study, the research serve as teacher collaboration with partner teachers and peers who serve as observers and discuss partner during in the study. The data collection technique is done through observation, interview, field, or daily notes, and documentation. The collect data is then processed by analyzing of observation metrics, field notes, interviews, and documentation. Further data are analyzed through by following step data reduction, data display, concluding, drawing, or verification in order for data option from the field is valid then done in various ways. They are triangulation, member check, audit trail, and expert opinion. Next, finding and discussion will be presenting by Nila.
Next, finding and discussion. Discussion. 1. Learning plan in the interest in the studying critical thinking ability through comparative learning model of TPS or think, pair, and share in social study learning. Plan is step where the researcher preparing the variables needed to support the ongoing process of research in the field. Preparation is done by discussion with the partner, the researcher determines the indicator used as a guideline for preparing the researcher instrument and redeveloped into several sub-indicators needed to measure the success rate of the application of think pair share typical comparative learning model in effort to improve critical thinking by looking at literature that has been read as well as studied previous and tailored to the needs of learning. Application of the model is considered to be one of the effort in developing the critical thinking of learners by involving the participant of learning is in social study learner activities directly in the classroom. Next. In determining the indicator to be observed during the course of the research activity, the researcher referred to the critical thinking study proposed by Percival divided the process of critical thinking into three steps. The first step is to evaluation information or data by means of interpretation, analysis, evaluation, and inference. The second step is that a person applies critical thinking and explains how to reach this conclusion by citing the result, defines the procedure, and present his argument. The final step is to capture the process of think, thinking thought, self-examination, and self-correction. Basis of the study of the indicator of critical thinking in the lesson suggestion by Ernest divide the critical thinking indicator into five groups, namely provide simple explanation, build basic skill, summaries, provide future explanation, tactic. In the opinion of Costa suggests that thinking skills are grouped into basic thinking skill and complex of high level thinking skill. In this case, basic thinking skill include causal relationships transform as well as fading relationship and profiting qualification. Will the level thinking process is divided into four groups, namely problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, and creative thinking. Thank you.
Next will be presenting by Rahmawati.
Learning implementation in increasing the student critical thinking ability through cooperative learning model of TPS or thinking, pair, and share type in social studies learning. In the first cycle began with a preliminary activity explaining learning material about the impact of the environment by showing example of image obtained from various sources. Then the teacher implement learning using cooperative learning model of TPS type. In the second cycle, learners are given a lesson about the material social division in society by displaying image related to the material. Then the teacher tells the student to distinguish example of which image includes social irregularities that often occur in the community. After that, enthusiastic learning began to look active and ask many questions, express his opinion to criticize the image. Furthermore, the teacher assigned the student with worksheet to fill the question. Learners began to be critical in filling the problem in the worksheet. The result of the second cycle implementation began to increase. This is due to improvement made by teacher in the implementation of cooperative learning model type of TPS or think, pair, and share. Next. Furthermore, in the third cycle, the teacher explained to the material on prevention of social division in family and society. The learner is give motivation and appreciation. Then the teacher give the drawing relating to the preventive measures of social division. Then learners are given the text of worksheet to fill some question about the matter and then discuss with her partner present in front of the class in accordance with the instruction worksheet given teacher. From their implementation of cycle through cooperative learning model of TPS type, think, pair, and share in social studies learning to improve the critical thinking ability of learner, sent from the activity of learners using cooperative learning model of TPS or think, pair, and share type in each cycle 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
Next will be presenting by Yunita.
Okay, thank you. On this occasion, I will explain about three learning observation result to encourage the students' critical thinking ability through cooperative learning model, think, pair, share, type in social studies learning. Group 1, in cycle 1 to 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make synthesis question and are able to provide an answer based on reliable source, and students are able to interact well as evidence-based cohesiveness is an answering question posed by teachers and other students. Group 2, in Cal 1 to Cal 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to provide explanation using their own language even talks in it is not approach, and students look strong in giving arguments and are able to work together with their partners even talks they have not been able to convey the result of their discussion in front of the class. Next. Yeah. Group stay in call 1 to call 2. It is categorized as a note because students can answer question by drawing a of conclusion from trusted source using their one language. Uh, Next group 4 in Chical 1 to Chical 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make a analytical question according to the materials but have not been able to provide rebuttals and can work with their person with sorry and can work with their partners and have the counts to explain the result of the discussion. Group 5 in call 1 to call 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make analytical question and are able to provide argument but have not been able to make rebuttals. Group 6 in call 1 to call 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make analytical question but have not been able to make rebuts and do not have the correct to explain the result of the discussion. Next. Hello, next. Okay. Group 7 in call 1 to call 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make analytical and systematic question according to the materials, but students are not right in giving explanation and are still afraid to explain the result of the discussion. Group X in call 1 to call 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make analytical question, are able to give reason, have not been able to make rebuttals, and have not the right to explain the result of their discussion. Group next in chill 1 to chill 2, it is categorization as a note because students are able to make analytical and cinematic question, able to provide explanation in their one language, but no according to the materials. Group 10 in call 1 to call 2, it is categorized as a note because students are able to make analytical and cinematic question according to the material, but in using their one language to answer question, they are not good. Not good. Okay, next. Okay, thank you.
4. Reflection and obstacle found in the learning implementation through think, pair, share model in increase student critical thinking skill in social studies in class 8-1 Ibnu Tufail Fitrah Insani to junior high school. The overall reflection made by research based on the result of discussion with partner teacher is as follows. A. Researchers ask students to discuss with other students to find out about the extent of student readiness in learning by using the TPS or Think, Pair, Share type of cooperative learning model and to provoke student critical thinking skill. B. Researchers stimulate students to be active and create democratic classroom conditions. C. Researchers try to motivate students to have confidence and courage. D. Researchers apply rules in the classroom while learning is take place. E. In cycle 1 to cycle 3, the research prepare a plan to take the best action and cycle. F. The research has referred to the planning steps that has previous discussion with partner teacher which was developed to avoid error in the application of the learning model. G. Effort to improve student critical thinking skill can be done well because students are proactive toward teacher. Researchers do reflection on each cycle that has been implemented. There are several obstacles in the application of the TPS type cooperative learning model, namely 1. It takes a relative long time. 2. Research has difficult calculating time in the application of the TPS type cooperative learning model. 3. Students find it difficult to be conducive when learning in groups. 4. Some students are not serious in doing assignment. 5. There are still students who lack confidence. 6. The learning that has been arranged into the lesson plan has not been fully implemented properly. 7. The implementation of cycle 1 to cycle 3 experience the same problems. 8. Technical and planning are not as simple as research thing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all for all members of Group 2. After the presentation, we can conclude that based on result of research that has been concluded first, planning done by the teacher to implement learning social studies by using model cooperative system of TPS, Think, Pair, Share, and include preparation, syllabus, and learning implementation plan in accordance with cooperative learning step type TPS. The implementation of this action done only up of 3 circles because the third circle is research assumes the implementation of classroom action research has active result in accommodation with except goes between planning with the desired result. There is positive influence on learning process and studies in critical thinking. Secondly, the implementation of the model of cooperative learning type of TPS as a whole can support the achievement of social studies learning objective. This is seen when the TPS type cooperative learning model not only success in improving critical thinking ability, which is one of the main objectives of the research, but also able to increase the social knowledge of the student. Third, or the last, in the process applying of the cooperative learning model of TPS type on social studies, learning found some difficult or obstacle that have been solved during the research. Okay. Okay, thank you. I think that's all from group 2. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.